Whether you're new to gardening or an old pro like Trev, I'm sure you'll appreciate that getting the basics right goes a long way to success and a beautiful garden full of healthy plants. Choosing plants suited to your growing conditions is key. Other important factors are soil requirements and available sunlight. You may need to improve your soil with compost, gypsum, or some of the more recent ameliorants like soil sulphur. Increasing the sunlight can be a little trickier, but you may be able to prune a few branches here and there to increase the light. And if you're after more shade, you could plant some taller plants or trees so that in the afternoon with that sun coming down, you can relax in summer, maybe have a few bevies without getting burnt. And talking of bevies, I'll probably have one myself this arvo. After the show, of course, never before it. These days, ensuring ongoing health and vigour is really quite simple by just adding a high-quality, well-balanced plant food through the growing season. PowerFeed granular fertilisers have all the essential nutrients your plants need in a beautifully balanced formula. You've got the big three growth building blocks, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, plus the secondary and trace elements for that specialised growth. Things like calcium, magnesium, boron and iron. It's beautiful stuff and really easy to use. Don't be surprised if this thing's twice the size tomorrow morning. The other amazing ingredient is Troforte microbial technology. Each granule is coated with up to 24 strains of Australian cultured beneficial microbes to help improve the soil health and plant nutrient uptake. These are activated when they come into contact with water and go to work immediately, improving your soil just like nature intended, but geniusly created by the boffins in the lab. And I tell you what, folks, there was nothing fancy around like this when Trev started gardening, but I know he's a big fan. You've got two specialised formulas, all-purpose including natives for the total garden and flowers, fruit and citrus for brighter blooms and tasty produce. Both are easily applied, mixed through the topsoil or potting mix and water in, and they'll last for up to 3 months. So there you go, and there you have it. That's gardening with Ruck.